Hi there, I'm Kevin Benedict, Mobility Analyst and SAP Mentor. How are you doing, Troy?
Very well, thank you.
Very good. So I'm here with Troy Cox, who's the CTO of Gizmo.
That's right.
And Gizmo is an up-and-coming company here in Australia. And why don't you tell the audience a little bit about Gizmo?
Yep, we're the largest IT services company in Australia that's focused on providing at-home computer help to consumers and SOHO, so the very small end of SMB. We operate nationally. The types of services we offer are setting up home computers, setting up wireless home networks, fixing computers, those sorts of things.
And you do this on a flat rate.
Indeed we do.
So that means you're looking for efficiencies at every turn.
Efficiency and utilization are paramount. So hence the reason for being at the conference. Implementing the Click solution is just to maximize utilization of all of our technicians. And importantly for us, customer service is a big thing for us. It's a high priority. It's one of our key differentiators. One of the ways we deliver on that is by having full-time employees as opposed to contractors. So all of our technicians are full-time employees, and keeping them busy is the most important thing.
Absolutely. So you talked about deploying iPads.
Yes.
What do you want to see on those iPads, and how do they fit into your business model?
Yep. So today we run on Windows Mobile. Obviously, the future or the lack of future for Windows Mobile's presented us a challenge. A couple of things with the iPad. One is just the form factor, the screen. The biggest problem we've seen with Windows Mobile in the 5 years we've been working with it is the small screen, and we use SharePoint as one of our key platforms for disseminating information and collaborating, and it's very difficult on that small screen. And already the basic testing we've done with these screens on the iPad, suddenly our mobile techs can participate in all the collaboration and information sharing that we do in Exchange. So that's a big thing for us.
Okay.
The performance, navigating in and out of the mobile CRM application is significantly better.
So you're using a mobile CRM on the iPad?
We will be, yes.
Okay, that's
yes.
the
Today we
the
use
goal.
it on Windows Mobile. The vendor that makes that application today has an iPad version available.
Okay.
In fact, that was one of the reasons for switching to the iPad.
Got it.
It was one of the platforms that was available to us, and the screen size was a key factor.
So what are you connecting to the back end? Are you some scheduling software, or how are you doing that?
Yeah, what the application that runs in there is, it's a two-way sync.
Okay.
So the application carries an offline copy of the technician's case, so that's the case notes, the customer's details, the services that are being performed, any product that's being sold to the customer, is all done via two-way sync. So these will be the 3G version of the iPad.
Got it.
And then we will customize that application to do what we call the pre and post engagement. So the customer will actually, hopefully not with their finger, but hopefully with a stylus, be able to sign to accept our terms and conditions, and then at the end, sign that they've accepted that the job's been completed.
Very good. So when somebody calls in with a problem, how do you actually get the work order out? What do you enter the service ticket in?
Yeah, so today we use Dynamic CRM.
Okay.
Scheduling in the very near future will be happening through the Click Schedule platform.
Okay, now you were doing that in the cloud model, weren't you?
We are indeed. We're an early cloud customer for Click.
Okay.
There's huge economic benefit to us.
Okay.
Because we're a small company, getting the economics right with an on-premise solution where you've got big upfront costs.
Understood.
It can be difficult, so the pay-as-you-go model is really attractive. So real-time scheduling, customer calls in, make bookings, jobs will be dispatched to technicians, or drip-fed to technicians about an hour before the job's meant to start.
Okay.
And when that happens, Click will update CRM. CRM will do a two-way sync to the iPad. Once it's on the iPad, they'll accept the job, perform the job, complete the job.
Brilliant.
Everything.
So you're doing a new startup with a kind of a new business model, and you're going to cloud computing, and you're doing everything on mobile.
That's right.
All right. Well, you've got a big challenge ahead of you, and good luck on that.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.